What is up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Today we are going to discuss Super Clean Products. This is a company that sent me some products to try out, and they just wanted me to make a video on it. That's all they said, so I was happy to do it. I want to thank Jill for reaching out to me and Jessica for sending me the products. This will just be like an introduction video. I'm going to do some tests, and I have tested some of them, and I'm going to release those videos in between other videos. That way I don't not like killing you guys with content, but I also want to take the time to do it individually so it's not one big huge video. Start off with the original. Now for me, I think they're sold in Walmart and AutoZone, and once they sent it to me, I realized I've seen this. I never gave it a try. But this is the original degreaser. It's biodegradable, phosphate-free, and there's no bleach in it. I use this on my shed floor with a pressure washer. I made a little video of that, but I was using a pressure washer. I think it worked great, with all the, oil, and you get gas and stuff. And it smells good too, so that was a plus. But because I used a pressure washer, I didn't think it was fair testing. So this one I am going to put up against Simple Green, and I think a lot of these products I might put up against Simple Green because, this is also a biodegradable, non-toxic formula, and this is what I actually always used to use. I might get the green one for the competition's sake. But yeah, I think that would be the best head-to-head to see. And then up next is they gave me the all-wheel cleaner. Foams away grime, brake dust. Super easy, super fast, right? So I'm a simple homeowner type guy. I use Armor All. I'll probably put it up against the Tire Shine Armor All. I might do one more in the mixture of that video. I'm not 100% sure yet, but simple head-to-head there. Whoop, took the bottle. Floor absorbent. I'll be 100% honest. I saw that they had this product. I asked them if they would send it to me, and they obliged. And we have Zep at work. Same stuff, but it comes in like a bag. At home, I use cat litter, but this is kind of nice. It comes in a small container, and we'll see how good it works. So that's what I have it tested up against. Foaming. So it's this, but foaming action. We'll see what we do with that. I'm not sure. And the last one is this in an aerosol can. I'm going to put it up against I use Wyman as my grill cleaner, or Simple Green. So now I have a new mixture, and that's what I'll be throwing in there. So I'm excited to try these out. You guys definitely do not have to buy them, or you can, or just enjoy the videos, see what they do. I think it'll be fun, and that's it. Catch you guys on the next one, and later. As I awkwardly walk to my camera to turn it off.